Welcome to South Portland Surgical Center, where your comfort, care, and confidence are our top priorities. This helpful, what to expect video will help make your experience smooth and comfortable. Before your appointment, we kindly ask that you complete the registration packet. This will be mailed to you as well as being available on our website to download. This important step will help expedite your check-in process and reduce your wait time upon arrival. When you arrive at our center, you'll find ample free parking directly in front of the building, including designated accessible spaces. Upon arriving, please enter through the main facility entrance and make your way to the South Portland Surgical Center reception desk. Our friendly team will greet you and finalize your check-in. Please bring your completed paperwork, a valid photo ID, and your insurance card to the front desk. One of our friendly staff members will ask a few important questions and provide you with an identification bracelet. We accept a variety of payment methods, including Visa, MasterCard, Discover, checks, Care Credit, or cash. Once your name is called, you will be escorted to our preoperative area. Here you'll have an opportunity to use the restrooms and prepare for your procedure. You'll be guided every step of the way with professionalism and compassion. This is also the ideal time to secure any personal belongings, as you'll be given a gown to change into, along with a hairnet and non-slip socks. Our skilled medical staff will review your health history and answer any questions you may have before your procedure. Next, one of our skilled professionals will take your vital signs and complete your pre-procedure preparation. Your anesthesiologist will then meet with you to explain exactly what to expect before, during, and after your procedure. Your opportunity to ask questions, address any concerns, and feel fully at ease before continuing. When everyone is ready, you will be brought into the procedure room, where you will meet the rest of your surgical care team. Before the procedure begins, but after you are asleep, we will conduct an important safety step, known as a timeout. During this process, our team will verify your identity, confirm any allergies, and review your procedure details. This step is essential in ensuring your safety and upholding our highest standards of care. Following your procedure, you may feel drowsy for 30 to 45 minutes. During this recovery period, our attentive staff will keep you comfortable and answer any questions you may have. Before you leave, we'll review your post-procedure instructions in detail, and when you are ready, we'll notify your driver and escort you safely to your transportation. A designated friend or family member must be present to drive you home. We thank you for choosing South Portland Surgical Center and look forward to caring for you on your journey to better health.